one of the best things that you can do is work from a distance when it comes to your art, because it gives you that overall look at how it's coming together and helps you to keep the composition in mind as you're working. Composition just doesn't mean the way in which you're setting up the camera either, by the way. It doesn't just mean the props that you're placing around the character. It means the character themselves and their silhouette. So what kind of shape they're making as you pose them into a particular position. It's extremely important to make sure that you're not just looking directly at the one section that you're penciling out, but you want to also, within your peripherals, try to take in the character as a whole as you're working, because that will help to inform the decisions that you're making in that one area, especially in regards to shape. Shape, silhouette, the positioning of the character, these are all compositional aspects of the figure that you need to be conscious of, especially in those early phases of the drawing, because it's great. Once you've got those sorted out, you don't have to even think about them. You can just have fun with the detailing, with the design of the character. Everything hangs on top of that foundation. And so, yes, while it's good to keep it loose and not be too concerned, not too confined to the drawing principles, you want to make them work for you rather than confine you, you still do want to make sure that you've got a good base to work up from. It determines the success of your drawing, essentially, right from the get-go.